Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mabel again. I'm excited to share my detox smoothies recipes with you. I do the research so you don't have to, so keep watching. First is the orange glow detox smoothie. You will need orange or clementine. You can use tangerine. You need some carrots, ginger, turmeric, banana, and some water. Now the orange glow detox has a lot of benefits. So orange contains a lot of vitamin C, which helps with skin exfoliation. It dries out acne. Also, turmeric has great antioxidants. It slows down aging, and not to forget the benefit of lemon in digestion as well, and also boosts the immune system. More benefits will be listed in the description below. And detoxification basically is removal of toxic substances from the body, mostly through the liver, thereby improving our health. So I would recommend taking one of these smoothies at least twice a week for optimal benefits. Now to my favorite. My favorite is the green detox smoothie. You need some spinach, romaine lettuce or kale. You can use some celery, apple, banana. You need some lemon juice. These green vegetables are packed with antioxidants, and also they help to lower the risk of so many diseases. This smoothie will cleanse your system and leave you feeling refreshed again. You can store them in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. And the green detox smoothie is ready. Another amazing recipe is the strawberry and beetroot detox. Now, beetroot helps to lower blood pressure, is packed with minerals and vitamins. And did you know beetroot is also a powerful aphrodisiac? Just saying. It helps to detoxify the body, it encourages weight loss. It has loads of benefits. I'll list more in the description below. Also, berries are great antioxidants too. So the combination of these two with lemon is a great way for detoxification. Beetroots can be used raw or they can be cooked. I prefer to use them raw. I particularly love the color of this smoothie and it tastes great too. My beetroot strawberry detox smoothie is ready. I'll drink some now and store the rest in the fridge for later use. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this video. Please like, make sure to subscribe, also share with your friends. Until next time, it's Dr. Mabel. See you in my next video. Bye.